It's this one thing that got me tripping. It's this one thing that got me tripping. It did. This one thing you saw made me feel it. It's this one thing you did. I can't help it.
Hey sweeties, welcome back. Today we're doing RuiYu hair. It just comes in this satin sack. You get lashes, a wig cap, and an adjustable band. This is an 18-inch 13 by 4 T-part wig. It comes with 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Okay, y'all, so this hairline was a bit alarming when I took it out and put it on. You see it's very boxy and deep in the corners by the temple. It was showing a little bit of my wig cap and my real edges. I'm not a huge fan of this hairline. I mean, in the end, I do make it work, but it had me acting unusual. I wasn't even laying my wig like normal. Like I was putting down the edges in the front. I just needed to see results. So I started doing my baby hair in an order I didn't usually do it. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know that that hairline might be a problem if you have a low hairline to begin with.
Now I'm just a mess. I'm running away from escaping dreams of yesterday. Convincing.
I am back. This is the final look. I just kind of did some curls and I pinned it up and left my antennas out. That's what I call them. I don't know. But I was kind of concerned about the hairline, but it actually came out looking really good. And yes, the hair is really soft. The knots bleached wonderfully. And I have no complaints about this hair. If you're interested, of course, everything will be down below in the description. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And until next time, stay sweet.